Welcome back to Rico Dad, everyone. Just a quick one today. Recently, I did get the DJI Action 6. I bought a couple accessories here. I do have the Freewell ND filters. I also have a little package from Tilta. And what this really is a quick unboxing. And I'm just going to test them out for the next little while. Let you guys know once I've had a chance to look at it and try it out in person how much I like it, and give you some more information about the quirks and details about how each of these products work. First of all, I do have the Tilta kit for the DJI Action 6. And so a couple things here. I've got the DJI Osmo Action 6 full camera cage and then the Osmo Action 6 Street Snap accessories. So I'm pretty interested in that because I do kind of want to use this for occasional photo shooting as well. I do find the camera kind of hard to hold sometimes. Not that it's fragile in any stretch of the imagination, but it would be interesting to kind of use this as a different photo camera. I also want my kid to use this a bit as well because he's kind of getting into photography, playing with cameras as well. And I could see a situation where he could help me, help film me actually. So okay, first things first, I'm going to do the cage first. Okay, so easy peasy, fits right in. It does feel like it protects it a little bit better. I think this part is supposed to come off. So that's what this guy looks like right now. You know what, I'm going to just test this quickly with my K&F ND filters just to see if it fits. And I don't see why it wouldn't fit. So can it fit on? Oh yeah, no problems with clearance at all. So now you've got the ND filter. This is just on the stock lens. You got the ND filter and it fits pretty well, no issues whatsoever. So there you go, right off the top, it's compatible so far. Oh, it does feel a lot more tactile with this orange button right away. It does feel a lot easier to trigger. Just with the cage, this button improves the tactileness, the shutter button significantly. I've always felt a bit of shutter lag with the DJI Action 6. And it does feel a lot faster already, but it's a lot easier to push, let's put it that way. So why don't we try out the Street Snap kit, which is my focus for this guy here. Definitely say for build quality and packaging, it's pretty nice. It's a pretty nice experience. It's light, but at the same time feels pretty robust, no problem whatsoever. Okay, so then this comes off easily and then this goes on. Okay, it's pretty good so far. And then I'm guessing this just goes right on top. So I do like that quite a bit. Let's just figure out how to get this to stay on. Do I have to put this on first? Okay, so this curls in. I will say right away you can tell, even if on the top plate, the grip is significantly better. Yeah, I do like this so far. It does feel obviously quite a bit heavier, but let's see how this works. Okay, maybe I'm going to read the manual, figure it out. And just to be clear, this is the titanium version of the kit. And so this thing, like many other products I've seen, you can actually store a battery in here. So you could stick a battery in there if you wanted to, just as a spare slot. So let's take the button off. Okay, so this orange button here comes off as you just kind of unscrew it counterclockwise. Let's put this back on to the cage. So far so good. Now let's put on the Street Snap kit, and now the top plate should fit. The grip does feel pretty nice. So this is the complete package now, and I feel so far with this, it's so much more tactile and it's so much easier to push that I have a lot more confidence that it's going to be able to just take the photo really quickly without introducing any camera shake. See how it is in practice. And so the second thing I'm going to open is the ND filters for the macro lens. I'm going to try it out today really quickly. I guess first we'll check this cage to make sure it actually does fit the macro lens. So let's try that out. And yeah, it looks like it's not going to be a problem. Lens attachment, and wow, the handling is just the handling is so much better already. So this is what it looks like with the macro lens. If you're interested in a review of either the Street Snap kit or the ND filters for the macro lens, do subscribe because I do generally go into quite a bit of detail for my reviews. And this is non-sponsored. I'm buying this with my own money. Just want to test it out and see how it integrates into my everyday life. It's getting pretty chunky boy now, though, which in some ways does defeat the purpose of an action camera. But I do like the fact that there's going to be a lot of flexibility with a kit like this. Now let's add on the macro lens ND filter. Okay, so this is the Freewell Osmo Action 6 macro lens ND. So let's just open this up here. So we've got a couple new filters. I guess shouldn't be any problems of clearance, given how far this lens protrudes from the cage. Here's the 8 ND filter. What these ND filters do is they allow you to lower your shutter speed. When you're out in bright sunlight, they act like sunglasses for your camera, and they fit right over this here. And it does feel pretty solid, very easy to put on. It's pretty tight. You know, I guess we'll see how this feels over time, but it doesn't feel like it's generally going to come off that easily. But honestly, we're going to have to see. It comes with a decent case, 4 different NDs. You got the ND8, 16, 32, and the 64. So you got, I think that would be 6 stops of light. I think we'll see how it looks tomorrow. I'm going to try this out. And there's a handy unlock button there. So I think that would be very useful to make sure if you want this to accidentally click, that would prevent it from clicking. It does seem to work right off the hop. I can see this being really useful for me. We'll test it out. We'll give it a go. So remember, subscribe if you want to see a review either of the Street Snap Kit from Tilta or the macro ND filters. I'll go into detail on both of these and give you some high-level thoughts and some detailed thoughts as well, just to see how it integrates into my life. So I think that's going to be it for today. I could see it being really good for running good and shooting. So I'll give you my experience with that over the next few weeks. But anyway, if you're interested in a review of this unit, please do subscribe. It's Rico Dad, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.